Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics. First, focus on building a strong conceptual foundation. Don't just memorize, truly understand why things work. Dedicate time each day to solving numerical problems, as this is crucial for applying theories. Also, develop the habit of making your own short, clear notes. These will be invaluable for quick reviews and recalling important formulas when you need them most. To master physics, consistent review is key. Don't let topics fade from memory. Revisit them often. Challenge yourself by working through diverse problems from various sources, including previous exam questions. This broadens your perspective and improves adaptability. Furthermore, studying with friends can be incredibly beneficial. Explaining concepts to others or discussing difficult problems solidifies your own knowledge and offers new insights. Effective time management is vital for success. Plan your study schedule, ensuring you allocate specific time for each physics chapter every week. Don't hesitate to use the wealth of online resources available, such as video lectures, to clarify complex topics or gain different perspectives. As you progress, regularly take full-length practice tests. This simulates exam conditions, helping you manage your time better and identify areas needing more attention. As exams approach, strategize your revision. Focus on topics that carry more weight in the examination, as indicated by past papers. Make sure to thoroughly revise all formulas, derivations, and key concepts multiple times. Consistent practice will build your confidence. Remember, maintaining a positive attitude and managing any stress are just as important as your academic preparation. Believe in your hard work and stay calm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.